Well, what's poppin' everybody? My name is Yuri. This is the Magic Sauce channel where we talk a lot about facilitation for innovation. In this 2-minute tip, holy cow, 2-minute tip, I want to talk to you about how you can make your flip charts and your pieces of paper. Maybe you have frameworks in the room, maybe you use certain graphs, how you can make that look a lot more appealing by using some simple color. So why don't we just put 2 minutes on the clock right here and let's get going. Okay, so this is a piece of flip chart here behind me. I want to make sure that that camera is on as well so you can still see me. Fantastic. Now the first problem that people have when they write on flip charts, they use puny little pens like this. This is actually a whiteboard marker. So now when you write something like holy cow, it comes out, looks a bit boring, it's very hard to see. So the first thing I would do is take a pen that is a little bit bigger, something like this. I love these pens, these are by Pentel, by the way. Woo-wee! You can make this look a lot bigger. So let's say you want to make kind of 3D kind of fonts. Some fonts over here. Now let's say you want to give it a bit of color, right? So you get pens like these and you could give them a bit more color. As you can already see, first of all, this is going to take a lot of time. Two, it's going to take up a lot of ink. And third, it actually doesn't look that good. I just realized I wrote whole cow rather than holy cow. Maybe we should have some dinner. Okay, it doesn't matter. So let's say we take a new piece of flip chart over here, one I did before. All right, so I use simple artist chalks like these. You can get them in most art stores. You've got really expensive ones. I use really cheap ones. You can color it in really, really simply, really, really quickly. Same thing here. So let's say we take a lighter color. By the way, if you don't want to get your hands dirty, another way to do is just by using a simple tissue. This will do, look at that. This will do basically the same thing. So as you can see, these are some really simple ways to give a lot of color to your graphs in the room, maybe your fonts, maybe you want to bring something to life. These cost me maybe 10 bucks. I don't know where I bought them. Do you have to do this? No. Does it make things look a bit more nice, a bit more appealing for the eye? Absolutely. So go get yourself some chalks to play around with and get some bigger markers as well. Stop using these puny little markers. Go to stationery stores and look for the nice big fat ones because they can't read your puny writing. By adding a bit of color, you're just going to make it look a million times nicer. So there you have a little 2-minute tip to bring a lot more color to your work, and your participants are going to appreciate it. It's that nice little extra, the nice little pizzazz, nice little magic sauce on top. Hope you enjoyed this video. Here are some more videos for you to watch, and I'll see you here next time. Catch you here.